The next day was the day of the big football match. The next day was the day of the big football match. Mr. Hart had invited about 10 people. Mr. Hart had invited about 10 people. Anna did not watch the game. Anna did not watch the game. She was helping Mrs. Hart in the kitchen. She was helping Mrs. Hart in the kitchen. They were making tea. They were making tea. It was a good game and everyone was enjoying it. It was a good game and everyone was enjoying it. At halftime, Peter went into the kitchen. At halftime, Peter went into the kitchen. "Why don't you come and wash the mess, Anna?" he said. "Why don't you come and wash the mess, Anna?" he said. "It's really good. Come on." "It's really good. Come on." Anna laughed. Anna laughed. "No, thanks," she said. "No, thanks," she said. "I'm helping Mrs. Hart. I'm helping Mrs. Hart. Look, here is the tea. Look, here is the tea. Can you take it in to the others? Can you take it in to the others?" "Okay," said Peter. "Okay," said Peter. Peter took the tea into the sitting room and the second half of the mess started. Peter took the tea into the sitting room and the second half of the mess started. The second half was very exciting. The second half was very exciting. Mike Bailey scored another goal after 20 minutes. Mike Bailey scored another goal after 20 minutes. On Monday, Anna went to the shop. On Monday, Anna went to the shop. It was not so busy now. It was not so busy now. Summer was over. Summer was over. It was a cold autumn. It was a cold autumn. On Monday evening, Peter came to see Anna. On Monday evening, Peter came to see Anna. "Hello," said Anna. "Hello," said Anna. "Did you win on Saturday? Did you win on Saturday?" "No," said Peter. "No," said Peter. "We didn't win, and I didn't play." "We didn't win, and I didn't play." Anna was surprised. Anna was surprised. "You didn't play? You didn't play? Why not? What was wrong?" "Why not? What was wrong?" I didn't feel very well on Saturday morning. I didn't feel very well on Saturday morning. I stayed in Woodend. I stayed in Woodend. I was in the village all weekend. I was in the village all weekend. Anna's face was red. Anna's face was red. Her voice was quiet. Her voice was quiet. Are you feeling better now? She asked. Are you feeling better now? She asked. No, said Peter. And you know why? No, said Peter. And you know why?